Hello people, as you can see it's been a warm day and I am warm, but I'm shaking like it's cold. It's time to have a drink. Lemon and lime's a bit, yeah, lemon and lime, not alcohol, you know, just lemon and lime water. Don't drink anymore. I know people will say that they don't believe that I don't drink. Well, I don't. I don't drink, and I don't smoke. Now Sheba's barking at the window. Right, yeah, now Horace is going to have a bark at the staring window. It's a staring window to me, it's not for the dogs, it's a barking window. I said this, I wasn't going to make this one too long. Well, I'm not. I'm going to make it as quick as, well, say as quick as I can, but I'm not really. Right. There's a dog sat behind me. Oh, sorry, but I'm in my wheelchair. Right, as I was saying yesterday, there was other pencils and stuff that we bought in the sales after Christmas last year, or was it before Christmas? And this is the Artist 24 colouring pencils that Amanda bought. They were half price, and I think these are a good choice of pencil, colouring pencil. They're come with a complete tin box. There you go, there's a full set with the marks on the colour markers on the bottom to show you what they are. The next set, I think I'll get Amanda to come and hold them up for you. You what, hon? Oh, you've gone into the bog of destiny, have you?
Yeah.
Well, watch you don't sneeze, otherwise you might fall down the hole. I bought them, they were half price. I also bought, I said I bought myself a set of inktense, which I did. This is them. This is the inktense. They're a lovely pencil. There's only one problem. If you make a mistake, they're not like watercolour pencils. If you make a mistake with them, you can't correct it really, because like it says, the inktense, they are ink, and they're very like intense colours, very bright colours. I don't think I've used them yet. They're still lovely. They're still in their. You see, they're still there. They've got all the colour markers at the bottom. Actually, there's only 23 colour inktense pencils, because one of them's an outline marker. And I can't remember which one it is. That's the one there. And that's the outline marker. I'll see if I can outline it. There you go, I can't show you any better than that, I'm shaking too much. I don't know where you want to do an outline on it, like, but it might be a good idea. Nice box pencils. I like box pencils because you get the tin to hold them in, and it's got a nice picture of a peacock on the front. I hope you could hear from behind that. Right, and the other ones I bought was because my watercolour pencils are starting to wear. I bought myself a new set of watercolour 24 pencils. These are another one that I like. I normally get the student ones, but I got these ones instead. Like I say, I've only used one. I can't hold them up very high because if I do, the more I shake. But there you go. I like derwent pencils because I find I can work with them better. Bought these a couple of years ago. Might have been, I don't know whether, yeah, it will have been a couple of years ago. Will have been a couple of years ago. These are derwent aquatone. Another watercolour pencil, but the woodless, sorry, woodless colour pencils, watercolour pencils. I like using them. Use them all the time. And then, of course, there's my old set of derwent watercolour, 12 watercolour pencils. £12 something it cost a while ago, and that's out of one. I like these pencils. I like them very much. Derwent again. Derwent again. Another set of derwent. Derwent art bars. 24 derwent art bars. And I was very, very surprised with these. How easy they are to use, how creamy they are. It's almost like using an oil paint, but it's not, it's water based. And they are really nice to use. I'm just trying to sort something out. I like using them. They're always in my drawer. And of course, my original set of inktense blocks. That's the original set of 12 inktense blocks, not pencils. they look more like, I would say, a soft chalk pastel. That's what they look like, but they're not. Eh? Oh, you don't want to eat that. Derwent again. Yeah. There's 12 inktense box there. There's a few of them broken and worn now. I do like my derwent stuff. But the next door down has got a leading brand of, probably you'd call them wax crayons. We call them wax pastels, or oil pastels, wax pastels. I've got a set of Crayola portfolio, and I've got a set of Reeves's wax pastels. They're both water soluble and very easy to use. Like the coloured, like the pencils, like the watercolour 24 and the inktense pencils. They're both very easy to use. Very easy to use. I'm getting a shine on here because I'm sweating. But I do love me derwent pencils and other things. Find them very easy to use. Very good quality. I have got another couple of sets of watercolour pencils. I've got a Faber-Castell Aquarelle on art grip, and I've got some W.H. Smith's watercolours on W.H. Smith's, yeah. Who's that? Is that an Horace? Yeah, it's a Horace. Right, like I said, I'm not going to be too long on here today. Got other things I've got to do. Oh, I did a bit more of the painting today, yeah. Not much more, but I did some of it. I'll show you it. And then you know what you're looking at. There you go. I did a bit more. It's getting there. I've got the centres to do, some odd spaces, that top flower to do, and I'll see about doing something, tidying up the outside around the boundary there. I might put some more purple on, see if I can tidy the leaves up a bit maybe. But besides that, I'm just about done for today. Just about done. It's been a warm one. Don't know what the temperature's been today, like, but it has definitely been warm. Definitely been very warm. Well, I think I will let you go. And I think I'll carry on with this for a bit maybe until tomorrow, where I will think about doing another one, another painting, something else this time, something challenging. Shall I show you something? I'll show you something now, look. There you go. That's a Horace. That's me Horace. That's me Horace there. That's me Horace. Very cool, laid back dog, Horace. And Sheba, my other little doggy, there she is. Sheeps. Oh, you've got pea pods, have you? Mum's got food. She's at it. Oh. Right, so like I say, I'm going to love you and leave you. Oh, by the way, the video that I put up yesterday, for some strange reason, half of it's missing. So, I'll try to make up for it today. Say goodbye, Amanda. Goodbye, Amanda. And the dogs want to say goodbye. No, they've had enough already. Sheba's more interested in food than anything else. Right, you lot out there in YouTube land, fellow artists, I don't know whoever watches mine. I tell you what, do me a favour, just please comment, rate and subscribe, please. If you do that, you'll make my day. Right, I need more members. I'm not on Patreon. I don't want to go on Patreon. It's just one of them things. It's just one of them things. Right, I'm going. See you all later.